The urinary system is a vital system in our body, as it is responsible for filtering and eliminating metabolic waste produced by the body. However, when it does not function properly, it can cause various health problems that affect the individual's quality of life and well-being. This can be caused by a series of factors, including diseases, urinary tract infections, structural problems, or even genetic conditions. In the case of urinary tract infections, they occur when bacteria or other microorganisms invade the urinary tract and begin to multiply, causing inflammation and irritation. Symptoms include pain and burning during urination, frequent urination, a burning sensation in the urethra, as well as pain in the abdomen or lower back. If not treated properly, it can lead to serious complications such as pyelonephritis and septicemia. Although medical treatment is essential for controlling the infection, many people seek natural alternatives to complement the treatment and relieve symptoms. Some herbs contain antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help fight the bacteria responsible for the infection, as well as alleviate associated symptoms. Next, we will teach you an option for tea for urinary tract infections, cystitis, prostatitis, and pyelonephritis. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of dried horsetail, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of hibiscus, 400 milliliters of water. Boil the water, turn off the heat, add the herbs, mix, cover, and let it infuse for 15 minutes. Strain and consume twice a day, 1 cup before lunch and another before dinner. Horsetail contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation and pain associated with urinary tract infections. In addition, it has diuretic properties that can help eliminate the bacteria causing the infection. The plant is also rich in calcium, potassium, and silicon, minerals that contribute to strengthening the immune system and the overall health of the urinary tract. Parsley contains apiole and myristicin, chemical compounds with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Therefore, it helps fight the bacteria responsible for the infection, reduces inflammation and pain associated with the condition. It is also rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help strengthen the immune system and assist the body in fighting the infection. Furthermore, parsley has diuretic action, which means it can help eliminate bacteria and other toxins from the urinary tract. Hibiscus has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and therefore can be beneficial for urinary tract health and in the treatment of infections. It also contains flavonoids and anthocyanins, chemical compounds with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Thus, it helps fight the bacteria that cause the infection, reduces inflammation, and relieves pain associated with the condition. In addition, hibiscus is diuretic, helping to eliminate bacteria and other toxins from the urinary tract. Did you like the recipe? Make it at home and let us know the results.